What are the two keys to having a successful open house? It has nothing to do with ads. It has nothing to do with social media, outputs, anything like that. Let me ask it to you in a different way. How do you get 25 to 50 people walking through your open house every single time? It's actually doing two things consistently that put you in front of people. One is inviting neighbors. If you went and you invited 50 to 100 of the closest neighbors to come to your open house, knock, knock, knock. Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Neighbor, just wanted to let you know that we are going to be having a mega open house, 123 Main Street, this coming Saturday. It's going to be from 10 to noon, and I wanted to do two things. One, invite you to come by, because you never know. You may know somebody that wants to live in this neighborhood, or you just may want to see the property because, well, you've never seen it. Or two, you may know somebody. And if so, I'd like you to invite them as well. So come by, check it out. Oh, by the way, we may have a bunch of cars that you not normally see through this neighborhood. And I just wanted to give you a heads up on that as well. That's the first thing. The second thing is that you're going to put out signage. You're going to put out 50 of them. If you don't have 50 of them, find a way to find directional signs. Partner with somebody to buy them. That is one of the best ways to get people to come to your open house, because what are they doing? They're driving through the neighborhoods that they want to be in. They're looking, they're nosy, they're curious. Well, if they see your signage and they're the right color and the right size and have the right thing on them, which, by the way, doesn't include a bunch of crap like your picture and all of that, by the way, keep them simple. If you put out that many signs, you're going to have 25 to 50 people walking through your open house every time. There's a lot more to it once they get there to actually pick up the clients, but we'll continue the process and I'll give you those secrets too. Remember, inviting 50 to 100 of the closest neighbors. You're going to find listings in that process too. And putting out signage. Go get them.